The EANS training courses are renowned for their excellence since their inception in the 1970s and remain the core business of what the EANS is all about. During my tenure as the training committee chairman since 2017, we have created a structured curriculum for our expanding portfolio of EANS hands-on courses. We established 4 new courses in cranial and spinal surgery for residents in the beginning and at the end of their training, so-called Step 1 and Step 2. The training committee approved the curriculum for the Step 1 Spinal Hands-on course in 2018, and it is now my great pleasure to invite you to the inaugural course here in Geneva and at ESFITS.
The course From Simulation to Cadavers workshop is a spine surgery course allowing beginner residents 1st to 3rd year to learn by theoretical sessions, simulation and cadaver workshop the basis of spine surgery in a safe and ultra-modern environment. At the end of the course, the participant will be able to perform the following procedures: cervical disc plating, cervical posterior foraminotomy, lumbar disc herniation, stenosis and instrumentation, and vertebroplasty. The renowned international faculty will closely supervise and actively engage with you throughout the training. We look forward to seeing you in Geneva and working with you.